Hey guys, my name is Meet Shah and I am the founder of Craft Easy. As a founder, I've been posed with this question on multiple occasions as to what Craft Easy is all about and what does it do. So here I am to answer all the what, where, when, and why about Craft Easy. The closest bit to my heart is the why, the cause and the reason behind starting Craft Easy. It is because I truly want to help our handicraft sellers by providing them with a global platform to showcase their products. While we aim to manage the entire process and all of their requirements so that they can concentrate on what they do the best, and that is to create these beautiful products. How and when might require an entire video to itself, but I had to cut the long story short. Craft Easy was born during one of our projects where we had to set up a small stall and had to sell something physically in this place called Spitalfields Market in London. And I remember that we started brainstorming on different products that we could sell, and we shortlisted about 4 to 5 different products. Indian handicrafts were one of them. Unfortunately, at the time, we couldn't go ahead with it because of some challenges and availability of such products. But just out of curiosity, I started researching about market for such products globally. That is when I found out that the global market of handicrafts was somewhere around $600 billion back then. I distinctly remember my reaction when I came to know that in such a big market, India was contributing less than 1%. I was shocked to know for a country like India, which is associated with its tradition, culture, and handicraft products, right? We are contributing very less. I needed some answers. So that is when I started talking with a lot of manufacturers and importers from countries like the US, UK, and UAE. The idea was to understand how they trade and identify a pattern. And after talking with a lot of people, I realized that we often tend to overlook smaller things, thinking that it won't make a lot of difference. But little do we know, when we ignore a series of minor problems, they lead to much larger issues. It is the exact same case with this industry. It is all about ignoring a series of minor problems that is resulting in a much larger issue, and that is to have such a low market share in this vast market. That is when I finally decided to start Craft Easy. The journey so far has been like a roller coaster ride. We have had a lot of challenges, we have had a lot of learnings, but through all of that, we've been able to launch our initial version. With Craft Easy, our constant mission is to promote these products on an international level through various channels, and we've just begun. There is a long road ahead of us, but we are ready for the journey because we know what the destination could look like once we reach there. I really want to thank all of you to take your time out and listening to what, where, when, and why about Craft Easy. I hope you had a great time.